surprising thing is how much of app design is not technical, and you don't have to be super technical to be able to do it. It's all about the user's experience and figuring out what the user wants and making something that would be helpful.
The Mobile App Challenge has given us a lot of different methods of looking at how to develop the app, turned it into something that could perhaps be profitable. They've given a lot of support.
The Mobile App Challenge has given me the ability to actually see how users would want to interact with it, and additionally, it's given me like the ability to figure out exactly like the logistics and the positioning of various aspects of my app. If I tried to do it without the Mobile App Challenge, I honestly would not know really where to begin.
This really facilitates people with ideas and moving forward to making it possible.
The App Challenge has contributed to developing this idea as providing a structure, so it's really useful to have the check-ins, to know like the entire process, like how you carry an idea through from conception to actually creating a product, and that's something that the App Challenge is able to offer support and resources for, and just like talking to everybody and see all of the different things that go into like taking this one idea that you have for a really cool app to actually producing a minimum viable product has been a really great learning experience.
I said, hey, they're having this app challenge, and we've talked about, having this wayfinding app, let's go for it. So that was really the inspiring piece, and then each step of the way at the workshop, we're nurses and have been, nurses our entire life and not technically inclined, except we do know how to use most of these smart devices, but each step of developing the maps, the screens, and the app maps, the workshop, we couldn't have done it without it, really.
I have lots of ideas, but I don't know how to make these things happen in a technical world. So the Mobile App Challenge has been incredibly helpful. The resources provided and being able to speak to experts in the specific areas that we've had access to has been incredibly helpful. Just to even understand how to start the process of, I have this idea, they've been very helpful in, well, these are the steps you need to take, the baby steps you need to take in order to get you from point A to point B, and then they've provided the resources and support along the way.
The Mobile App Challenge has been awesome, because I sort of came in with the general idea of what I wanted it to be, but it wasn't really crystallized in any way. So the workshops have been great, and really talking to everyone and getting feedback it's really helped.
The Mobile App Challenge has definitely helped me. I had always had different ideas and brainstormed different ideas about doing different apps, mobile apps, but the Mobile App Challenge definitely gave me some guidelines to look for and some things to say, hey, out of all the ideas that I have or are coming up with, what would be the best one to kind of, trying to kind of change the world or try to make an impact on the world in a way which will make it a better place.
I wouldn't be able to make real this application without the App Challenge.